Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. For our final discussion on operations involving fractions, let us now perform division of fractions. Before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. Dividing fractions. The general rule in dividing fractions is to inverse or reverse the second fraction, then proceed to multiplication. In doing so, we have to note the following key items. 1. Reciprocal of a fraction. Invert or reverse the numerator and denominator. 2. Reciprocal of a mixed number. Change to improper fraction, then inverse it. These are the general considerations we have to take into account when we reciprocate the fraction. Our first case involves dividing proper fractions. As we have mentioned, we can only proceed to multiplying the fractions if we first get the reciprocal of the second fraction. In this case, the 4/9 will now be 9/4 and the 5/8 will be 8/5. After we have done this, we can now multiply the fractions. We just follow the rules of multiplication of fractions as we have discussed in the previous video. The final products of our examples will be 9/20 and 1 1/5, which are both in their lowest terms. Case 2. Dividing a fraction by a whole number. In the examples shown for our second case, this will now involve dividing a fraction by a whole number. This may seem a little bit complicated since this involves a fraction and a whole number, but we have to take note that a whole number has a denominator of 1. For example, 2 is also equal to 2/1, and 3 is equal to 3/1. Following this, the reciprocal of these numbers are 1/2 and 1/3, respectively. After this, we can now proceed to multiplying them, which will give us the products of 1/8 and 1/6. Case 3. Dividing mixed numbers. Similar to what we have performed in multiplying fractions, we first convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. In our example, this will give us 5/3 and 9/4. Then, we take the reciprocal of 9/4, which is 4/9, then we can now proceed to multiplication. The final product is 20/27. Since we have thoroughly discussed division of fractions, let us try to expound our knowledge by answering this practice set. You have 1 minute to answer each item. Good luck. Number 1. What is the quotient of 2/9 divided by 2/3? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 1/3. In our first exercise, we have to divide proper fractions. First, we are to get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which will lead us to 3/2, then proceed to multiplication, giving us the product of 1/3. Number 2. What is the quotient of 2/4 divided by 3? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 1/6. In this exercise, we first convert to a fraction the second number 3, which is 3/1. Inverting it will give us a fraction of 1/3. After which, we can now proceed to multiplication of the fractions, and this should lead us to a final answer of 1/6. Number 3. What is the quotient of 2 and 1/3 divided by 2 and 1/4? Timer starts now. Time is up. The correct answer is 1 and 1/27. In our last case, this concerns dividing mixed fractions. First, we have to convert the fractions to improper fraction. The new equation would be 7/3 divided by 9/4. Then, we invert 9/4, and that would give us 4/9. After which, we can now proceed to multiplying the numerators and denominators. The product will be 28/27 or 1 and 1/27. That's a wrap. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.